Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video of Dyla's Homemaker Tips. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my bedroom. I'm going to be lifting my mattress, cleaning under, pulling the frame back, cleaning behind. I'm going to be cleaning my sheets and everything that's in my bedroom that needs to be clean. I'm going to be super thorough today, but I'm going to show you the quickest way to do so because it is a tedious job. Because as we know, clean life, happy life. My mattress is pretty big and it does cover most of the frame, but it does get dusty down there if I don't upkeep with it, so I do like it. Give or take 30 minutes, not long, but I will be showing you the most efficient way to do it so you don't have to waste so much of your time. So, without further ado, let's get started. Step one to cleaning any bedroom is to remove all your sheets from the bedding and put that in the wash. You want to put new sheets on, wait till the end. If you're lazy, go ahead and wash those sheets, dry them, and put the same sheets back on as long as they're clean. Then you want to remove the mattress off the frame, pull the frame out just enough for you to be able to get to the back because the bed frame is not that wide, so you will be having access to all parts of the floor. And then you just want to take your vacuum and vacuum off any thin, fine dust from under the frame. Then you want to take your brush head and vacuum off any given area that's off the floor. After that, you want to take your Lysol wipe or any given damp towel and just give it a wipe. Clear off any fine dust that may have been left or the vacuum didn't access. So right now I'm just wiping off everything. I am going to go behind the frame as well, but first I am using my brush head to get into those nooks and crannies because it is a smaller piece. Once the bottom of the frame and behind the frame is nice and clean, you just want to place back your mattress and push back the bed frame. Then you want to get onto any of the furniture and just dust off any dust that may have been flying around and laying on flat surfaces. Once everything under, behind, and around the bed is clean, place back your sheets, clean sheets that is, do your bed, and keep going. The most important thing to do when cleaning any area is to declutter any given clutter that's around. And that's what I'm going to be doing now. I am decluttering everything that's around the room to place back where it belongs. Get on to dusting all flat surfaces. I usually like to dust everything that's on the flat surface as well because there is fine dust. I live on a fairly busy road, so I'm always having to dust. Cars are going by all the time. And believe it or not, when you live on a busier road, your house gets dusty quicker. When everything is dusted and clean, next step is to get on to vacuuming. Now, last time I made a video on cleaning walls, and the most important thing is to upkeep. So I did see the molding and it was yucky, so I did clear that off as well. Then you want to just go on to clean your brush from the vacuum. Make sure you clean it thoroughly because it does get very, very dusty and linty and just gross. So go ahead and clean that out. And once that's done, here's your bedroom, friends. Nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please come back, subscribe, comment, and like. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.